Hey guys, or should I say good morning? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the Asia Lorraine, if you didn't know, and today is that it is fall season and your girl's room is looking kind of decided why not decorate my room for fall. So I kind of just want to show you everything I'm going to like work on, clean up. Like, this is really going to be a deep cleaning slash decorate my room with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Girl, what are you doing? Subscribe to my channel. Your girl has been posting this, and also give this video a big thumbs up while you're at it. Let's get started. There is just so much junk and I'm just kind of embarrassed, but I just want to show you guys that's just so much junk that I just want to get rid of. I just feel like, you know, people should see this kind of stuff. Maybe you guys could get inspiration, things like that. So I'm all about that. I love helping you guys with many things. So however, this is like mainly my office. As you can see, I have perfume and stuff right there. This is going to be, you know, cleaned up. Also, I have my clothes right there, but this is also going to be placed in the closet. And this has my lip gloss right there. That's going to be placed somewhere different as well. So all of this stuff is just going to be arranged. Obviously, I am going to focus on this right here. This is just my lip gloss stuff or my wholesale that I make for others. It's going to be staying right here, but all of this that I'm showing you guys is literally just going to be moved. Y'all, this right here, please do not come for me, but I share a room with my sister. Like, girl, like, if you're a girl, you just know. But anyway, so yeah, I just have so much stuff. I have not burned this candle, guys, because I want to wait for the right time to use it. So today is going to be the day. And this stuff underneath my bed is going to be thrown out. I do not want these. As you can see, there's like tissue right there. It's just it's such a mess. I really want to throw this out as well. It's my sister right now. I mean, that's their dog, but like, he does come and visit. He really likes his bed, but sis, I'm tempted. Here's my sister's, but I'm just going to like, I guess like kind of cleaning up for her way. But this one is mine. It's just lotions. I'm obviously going to clean that up as well. And then I'm going to clean this up as well. As you can see, y'all, it's just kind of like not giving what it's supposed to give. So I did organize this, but I'm just like always in a rush and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to fix that of my bed. As you can see, there's just so much, but I did make up my bed. I really wanted to get a comforter or something, but I'm just like, you know what, girl, let's not waste too much money. So much, but we're not even like nearly, I mean, we're almost done. But sis, the main focus right now, closet, honey. Look at this closet. It needs to be done. And look, this as well. Like, y'all, like I said, don't judge me. Yeah, guys, it's just so much stuff in here that just has to be done. Like all the clothes down here, I need to fix that. I need to fix that, and I really want to fix this as well and put like all my towels and stuff right here, ready to just throw everything away, get rid of things. And yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick of what I'm going to decorate myself with. Today I went to Target and also Walmart. I got a few fall things, but I got these cute leaves from there. These are so cute. And then I'm actually happy that I got these, because I want to place them around our room. I think that would just look so pretty. Also got these as well. This is how it looks. Ooh, she is so pretty. Got these pumpkins from Target. By the way, this is all Target. Well, this bag is Target. And then yeah, this is $10. This one is $5. And I did get another pumpkin in white. I think orange and white will just look so freaking beautiful together. And then I got one more, and it's also white, so this is how it looks. And so yeah, this is all the goodies. I am so excited to decorate them. So leave in the comments down below if you're excited for fall season. For some reason, I'm just so sick of summer. Like, I just want it to be fall and winter. I am about to do like a time lapse and just basically you guys will just see how I'm cleaning up, what is going on and things like that, guys. So just relax, drink your coffee, drink your hot cocoa or whatever, and let's get into this video. Types of braids. If you black, you know. Girl. Okay guys, so I'm literally cleaning up right now. As you can see, there's just so much junk. I'm strung from this freaking closet. Things up. As you can see, I mostly got all the things, all the shoes. I'm just doing this side, and then I'm also gonna clean this area. Of course, I'm just going to sweep, but y'all, look at this. Still cleaning out this freaking closet. If the quality is like weird, that's because I'm using my iPhone. So I'm kind of done mostly everything from this closet. Literally just got done the bottom. These are going up top of the closet. The shoes, I really need like a shoe rack, but yeah, so that is all. And then I just got done with this. I got all my wholesale items right there, and guys, that as well. And I did organize this. And yeah guys, I feel like it's kind of long. Like, it's not too perfect, but it's where I want it to be. You know, your girl is pretty sick right now. I'm still going to clean up to get out this closet. Like, I am so sick of tired looking at this closet, but I just have to sweep, put up some stuff in here, and then I am going to focus on the outside of my bed. I have so many clothes I have to put up. Okay, I hope I just get done before like 2 o'clock. Right now it's 12 o'clock. So yeah guys. I was a baby, y'all. I was so cute. Okay guys, so I literally just got done with this. It looks so much better. This is how it looks. I'm about to do this right now. Yeah, I just have been doing the thing. You guys, this pictures of me. Y'all, this is me. I'm gonna get another frame, so like don't mind this ugly frame. But I had this when I was so young, and it looks so cute right here. But I just have to change the frame, and it will definitely complete the room. See you guys in maybe an hour or 30 minutes. I'll just let you guys know the process. Right now I don't have my freaking tripod, so all my tripods literally broke. Guys, I'll talk to you guys in like 2 hours, and yeah. Hey guys, I am finally back. You guys like these lights in the background? Like, they are so freaking cute. Done cleaning up. I will definitely show you guys the results. I am very happy. Like, this room literally is like a big transformation. Yeah guys, I'm kind of just gonna guide you around. Okay guys, so we're just gonna start right here. This is my perfume. I basically organized everything, and then I did leave this cute pumpkin. I did my organizer storage thing, which I love a lot. Yeah guys, so I basically swept and everything, and here goes my bed. I was actually laying down, so it was kind of messy and whatnot. And as you can see, these are the beautiful lights, and then right here is just my little work vanity area. So I just have, you know, my books. I organized this, and it actually looks really good. This is the closet. As you guys can see, please do not mind this, okay? Don't mind her, she minded her business. Yeah, I do have my makeup up here. I really loved how I organized this. Here it's just the lotions and perfumes that I really don't use, but you know, whenever season comes, as you can see, like Christmas, I love using that. And I just have the freshener, fabric freshener, and Febreze lip gloss jars. Here is just like a whole bunch of mess. Honestly, I did not know what to do with it. And then right here is the purse. Oh girl, fix yourself, fix yourself. It's like literally the purses, the towels, and my gym clothes. Literally down here are just the shoes. I'm so low-key in love with my closet. Like, she is looking better than ever. These follies that I got from Walmart, they look so cute. It looks so cute on camera. Like, it's very vibrant. I just wish there was more leaves, but like, you get what you pay for. And then over here it's like literally just my sister's basket, and then I end up putting the lamp right here. It won't work. Put my baby pictures right here. At first, y'all, I feel like I like the frame because it does go with the fall season, but however, I am going to change it once it hits December. When I was a baby, your girl was pretty. Not right there though. It's so beautiful, guys. Like, honestly, I am in awe with this. So I just added the little tree right there. I did the pumpkin, so I added the orange one in the middle, then the white, the two whites right there, and like the little pumpkins that you see, and the harvest spice that I got from Marshall's. And it just looks so good. It smells really good too. Like, it's not too harsh. It just calms everything. And this is how it looks. It just looks so nice, guys. I'm very happy. That is literally all for the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Go subscribe to your girl. Please give this a big thumbs up. Your girl has literally been through it today. Also, comment down below if you got any inspiration, or if you are now starting to clean up. I will see you guys on Sunday or Wednesday in my next video. Follow my Instagram, and I will definitely share all the details of where I got things from. So yeah guys, I will talk to you later. Bye.